Good morning children, Saidam. Today we are going to start with Active English. Chapter number 14. Complete the sentences. Now this is our first exercise and we are going to solve it. So your first question is, he did not know how she did it. Now here complete the sentence means the half part of the answer is already given, already there in your book, and the other half you have to complete it. The other half part you have to complete it. So your first question is, he did not know how she did it. He did not know how she did it. So now the half part what is already there is, he asked her, and a blank is given, and the other half you have to complete it. Now how you are going to complete it? So you just have to replace the half of the question in your half of the answer. So he did not know how she did it. He asked her how she did it. So he did not know how she did it. So he asked her how she did it. Fine. So the next one, we'll jump on the second one. The teacher wanted to know how he fell down. And the answer is, means what is already given is there in front of you, and what is not given is not there in front of you, right? So you have to complete it. So he asked him. Now he asked him how he fell down. Okay, he asked him how he fell down. Now the third one is, we wanted to find out how he made it. Now we asked him, so what is given in there in front of you? We asked him and a blank is given. So how you all are going to fill it? We asked him how he made it. You just have to replace the half part of the question. We asked him how he made it. Now the fourth one, we did not know how she went there. And the half part is, what is there in front of you? We asked her. And now what are you going to complete it? How you all are going to complete it? We asked her how she went there. We asked her how she went there. And the fifth one, his mother did not know how he cleaned his room so quickly. And what is already given is, he told her and blank. So he told her how he cleaned his room so quickly. He told her how he cleaned his room so quickly. Now see, the fourth one is there in front of you. We asked her how she went there. Yes, it was correct. And the fifth one you can see, how he cleaned his room so quickly, right? And now the sixth one, we did not understand how he could carry the big box. We did not understand how he could carry the big box. We asked. So, and what you're going to complete ahead? We asked him how he could carry the big box. So answer is there in front of you now. We asked him how he could carry the big box. And the seventh one, we did not know how she joined the pieces together. We did not know how she joined the pieces together. She told us, and blank is there, and the other half you have to complete it. So what you all are going to write? She told us how she joined the pieces together. She told us how she joined the pieces together. Now the second exercise, change the sentences. Now you can see the first question, how high is the tree? Raj asked Mr. Shah. How high is the tree? Raj asked Mr. Shah. Now children, if you read the question, the sentence has the actual words of the speaker. Now, who is the speaker? The one who is speaking. Now, how do you say that they are the actual words of the speaker? Now, because they are enclosed with inverted comma. Now, here you have to change the sentence. You have to change it in the reported speech. Now, reported speech means the thoughts of the speaker are conveyed without the actual words, but the meaning remains same. We are not going to change the meaning, just we are going to write in reported speech without changing the meaning. So, change the sentence. Now, we should always remember that words like said, asked, told, ordered, requested and replied are all reporting verbs. Now, these verbs you use when you are reporting the speech. And the personal pronoun that you have in the sentence, they will also change like I, we, you, they, she, he. And a possessive pronoun like hers, ours, mine, yours will also change in the reported speech. Now, how you all are going to write the first answer. Now, how high is the tree? Raj asked Mr. Shah. So, we are going to start with Raj asked Mr. Shah how high the tree was. Now, is will become was. Raj asked Mr. Shah how high the tree was. Now the second one, how tall is Anu? Miss Rao asked Radha. Now Miss Rao asked Radha how tall Anu was. Miss Rao asked Radha how tall Anu was. The third one, how old is Raj? Radha asked Lucy. So, we are going to start with Radha asked Lucy how old Raj was. Radha asked Lucy how old Raj was. And the fourth one, how long is the ruler? Mr. Rao asked Raj. So we are going to start with Mr. Rao asked Raj how long the ruler was. Mr. Rao asked Raj how long the ruler was. Now again change the sentences. Now here again we are going to write in reported speech. So your first question is, how did you make the kite? Radha asked Raj. How did you make the kite? Radha asked Mr. Raj. Raj. So how you are going to write? Radha asked Raj. You are going to start with Radha asked Raj how he made the kite. Now, this is the question, right? So again, in a question form like Radha asked Raj how he made the kite. Answer is there in front of you. Radha asked Raj how he made the kite. Now see the second one. How did you come to school? Miss Rao asked Anu. So you all are going to start with Miss Rao asked Anu how she came to school. Miss Rao asked Anu how she came to school. Third one. How did you make the cake? Maya asked her mother. So we are going to start with Maya asked her mother how she made the cake. Yes, we are writing the sentence in past tense. Maya asked her mother how she made the cake. Okay. And the fourth one, how did you find this kitten? how did you find this kitten? Mrs. Shah asked Radha. Mrs. Shah asked Radha how she found this kitten. Mrs. Shah asked Radha how she found this kitten. Now children, we are going to start with our activity. Complete the sentences. Again, the same thing. Rahim asked Tarun how his mother made the ice cream. Now, the answer is there. Only half. Other half you have to complete it. So, Rahim wanted to know how his mother made the ice cream. Rahim wanted to know how his mother made the ice cream. And the second one, her mother asked her how she scored so well in mathematics. So the answer is her mother wanted. So wanted what? She wanted to know. Her mother dash. Her mother wanted dash. Her mother wanted to know how she scored so well in mathematics. So her mother wanted to know how she scored so well in mathematics. The third one, the policeman wanted to know how the man saved the elephant calf. The policeman tried to find out dash. So the policeman tried to find out what? The policeman tried to find out how the man saved the elephant calf. How the man saved the elephant calf. Now again change the sentences. How big is the boat? Mohan asked Prem. Mohan asked Prem. Now, yes, it is very easy. Mohan asked Prem how big the boat was. Mohan asked Prem how big the boat was. The second one, how wide is the river? Raj asked Mr. Sen. So you all are going to start with Raj asked Mr. Sen how wide the river was. Raj asked Mr. Sen how wide the river was. Now again change the sentences. First one, how did you find the shop? We asked Maya. We asked Maya how she found the shop. We asked Maya how she found the shop. Second one, how did you climb the tree? They asked Firoza. Now, they asked Firoza how she climbed the tree. They asked Firoza how she climbed the tree. Thank you.